Imagine having your own AI assistant, custom built for your exact needs. Whether it's helping your team brainstorm, coaching you on leadership, or automating repetitive tasks. Sounds powerful, right? Well, that's exactly what Gemini Gems can do for you. In just a few minutes, you can create an AI that works the way you want it to. So, what exactly are Gemini Gems? Think of Gems as customized version of Gemini AI. Each game is like a personality or an assistant that you shape with specific instructions. Instead of just asking Gemini questions on the fly, you can design a game to consistently respond in a certain style, tone, or with specific expertise. They are perfect for situations where you want consistency. For example, a game for answering customer support questions, a game that acts as your personal study buddy, or even a game that coaches you in public speaking or leadership skills. With games, you don't have to repeat instructions every time. The AI already knows the role it should play. To make things even easier, Google has already created pre-made games. You can find them by going to Explore Games. There are ready-to-use assistants built around common needs. For example, you'll find games for writing, learning, coding, brainstorming ideas, or even for improving your productivity. They are a great starting point if you are new to customizing AI. You can use them as is or tweak them to better fit your workflow. Now, let's build our leadership AI coach. Don't worry, it's quick. Here's how you do it. Now, click New Game, give your game a name. I'll call my Leadership Coach Pro. Write clear instructions. I've already prepared a prompt for my leadership coach. I will share it with you in the description. You can also check out my video about how to write great prompts. You can also provide some additional knowledge that you would like your coach to use. It can be documents, books, and more. You can add up to 10 files. Now we click the Save button and create our coach. And that's it. In less than 5 minutes, you now have a personal AI coach to practice leadership skills. Now let's see how it works. It already offers me to practice topics and I can choose one. Great. And here's another great feature. Games can be shared with others. Let's say you've built a really effective leadership coach or maybe a customer support assistant for your business. You don't have to keep it to yourself. You can share your game with your team, clients, or even friends. That way, everyone can benefit from the same tailored AI assistant without needing to build it from scratch. This makes games not only personal, but also collaborative, turning your custom AI into a tool that others can use and trust. Here are a few best practices to get the most out of Gemini Gems. Be specific with instructions. The clearer you are, the better your game performs. Keep it focused. A game should do one thing well instead of trying to do everything. Test and refine. Don't be afraid to tweak instruction if the output isn't exactly what you want. Use scenarios. Ask your game to role-play a tough conversation with an employee. It's great practice for real life. Use them consistently. The more you rely on a game for its purpose, the more value you'll get. And consider different perspectives. Ask your game to explore alternative approaches or potential challenges. And remember, it's an AI. While incredibly helpful, it's not a substitute for human connection and real-world experience. Use its insights to inform your decisions, but always apply your own judgment. Gemini Gems let you shape AI into something personal, useful, and powerful. Whether you want a productivity partner, a coding assistant, or even a leadership coach, you can build it in minutes. So, what's the first game you are going to create? Drop your ideas in the comments below, and I'd love to hear them. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more practical AI tips. See you in the next one.